those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is finally a Saturday. So I've decided to finally start doing the new cab mounts. I already got some more Sawzall blades. I'm gonna cut these old ones off. And a couple of days ago, I cut these new ones out. Got the tunes going, ready to go, but I'm gonna turn this down so I don't get a copyright strike on it. So got the new gussets and new cab mounts cut out. And I already did some of the pre-welding that I had left to do on the underside on those two cross members. I think I forgot one side down in here somewhere. So that's pretty much what's gonna go down today. Cutting down those old cab mounts, drilling these and tacking these, kind of like prefabbing them together. But I'm probably gonna drill these out first. I got some extra hole saws. Hopefully I don't go through them and I can drill through all 6 of these. So that's gonna be the plan for today. I got my little makeshift welding table ready to go. Welder's ready to go. So yeah, it's really nothing too exciting, but I'm trying to bring you guys content. So here's gonna be the fab of the new cab mounts.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side.
All right, now that I got all 6 of these holes cut out and 2 hole saws later, now what I'm gonna do is take some, where is it? Where'd it go? Here it is. So Mike's grease remover, and kind of just clean off the grease of the cutting fluid. Go over all of them with that. I had to use some of these to kind of like lift it up off of the base of the drill, so I have to clean some of these out. Start grinding them down, getting them ready to start like tacking together, kind of pre-assemble them on here, and then I'll start cutting these old ones off. So that's gonna be next.
I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole.
Okay, so I got started on the tabs and kind of tacked them in. Now I'm starting to fully weld them in. So pretty much we'll be ready soon to just slap them onto the frame. So working on welding these up.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B. B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lies.
Turn that off real quick so y'all can hear me. So, ran into a little bit of a problem. Well, good thing is everything is fully welded. Tacked them in first, and now they're all completely welded where the joints that I need, well, probably won't be able to get to once it's fully welded. But if you notice, I'm pretty much running out of gas. So it's a Saturday. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough gas to weld them in. So what I'll do is I'll just cut one by one off and just tack each one of them on for now until I guess Monday, and when I can go to the store and get some more gas and get it exchanged. But yeah, now I'm gonna be working on breaking out the Sawzall. Got it laying down over here somewhere. And I'm gonna move these cab mounts down. I only needed, I believe it was 1/4 of an inch, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and either do 3/8 or go full send and go 1/2 inch. So we will see, because the only reason I don't want to go too low is because that mount is already as low as the frame, or getting close to it. It's about 1.25 inches. So I'm worried that I'm gonna have to somehow modify the bolt to where it can still go in from the underside, or make something to where I can bolt it in from the top side, depending on how close that bottom is going to be to the ground. So yeah, I'm going to be, it's already body dropped. I believe it was 2.5 inches or 2.25. So I'm either going to go 3/8 or 1/2 inch at most. So yeah, gonna get started on cutting these off, and we'll just do, like I said, we'll do one by one, tack them in until I run out of gas, and then we'll see how far we can get.
Different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make bitches, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he happening. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my.
All right, well, I got all my cap mounts tacked in. I almost screwed up on this one because I forgot to measure it from the ground up, but I found a little hack by just measuring from the bottom of the frame rail up to the bottom of the bracket from that side, comparing it to that side. So got that tacked in. It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna call it a night. And then tomorrow I'll begin fully welding all the brackets in and seeing how far I can get before I run out of gas. And then I'll really pretty much have nothing else to do for the weekend because I need gas to keep continuing on the rest of the build. There's the small stuff that I need to do. So on to the next day. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm staying B-side, breaking the blues over steak. I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.